Sheila, your nurse for today. For verification purposes, can I know your name, please?
My name is Michael Williams.
How can I address you?
Can call me Michael.
Good morning, Miss Michael. Mr. Michael. I came to check your records, and I've noticed that you did not take your medicine on time for today.
That is correct.
Can I know your concern or why you did not take the medicine, Mr. Michael?
Because nurse, you guys are giving me the wrong medication. Yesterday, your nurse, one of the nurses, had given me a yellow pill. Now you're making me drink a blue pill. So there's a difference. I think you guys are mistaken. You nurses are
Mm,
mistaken. Is that what the doctor had prescribed? Maybe you can double check because I will not drink medications if you're not sure.
I know you're worried and concerned, Mr. Michael, but the doctor just written a new, he just prescribed a new medication, and I think you're not aware of it. He- You, the doctor did not inform you that he will change your medication, Mr. Michael?
Is the doctor supposed to tell me that?
Yes,
Or you
yes,
guys
Mr.
are supposed to tell me that? Because I've noticed the difference just this morning. And I've asked one of your nurses, and the nurse didn't even tell me that the doctor had changed the prescription.
Um,
I'm very anxious about this, nurse. So I'm not drinking
I
medication.
I know you're worried, Mr. Michael, but this is really what the doctor writes. He just write a new prescription. He just write a new medicine, but the medicine, the yellow pill and the blue pill is on only the same kind of medicine, but he just changed the brand. But
Mhm.
that's why it's the same. It's the same kind of medicine, but only the brand name was just changed.
How can we make sure of that?
If you want to confirm, ma'am, Miss.
Okay, you have 5 minutes for this roleplay. Your time starts now.
Good day, I'm Rob, your nurse for today. Just for verification purposes, may I know your name, please?
I am Bruce Peterson.
Hi, Bruce. How do you want me to address you?
Just Bruce will do.
How are you feeling today, Bruce?
I'm good. I was just waiting for the medicine that you're about to give me tonight.
Awesome. Here it is, Bruce.
Hold on. This is not what I'm supposed to take. I usually take a yellow pill at this hour. Why is it different now? This is wrong.
I understand that you're confused right now because this is your first time seeing and drinking this medicine, but I assure you that it is a newly prescribed medication by the doctor.
No, you're giving me a wrong medicine. Are you trying to kill me?
No, Bruce. As I have mentioned, this is prescribed by the doctor. This is the same medicine that you have been drinking, as you have described it, the yellow pill. This is just with a higher dosage.
What do you mean higher dosage? No, I am not going to take this. You are giving me a wrong medicine.
You need to take a higher dosage of medicine so we can see some improvements as you have been dealing with a heart disease for 4 years already. We need to make some changes since we have also observed that some of your medications are not being taken regularly as advised.
You know what? I need to speak to my doctor. I'm not going to take this.
Sorry, Bruce. I believe your doctor is not yet in the hospital as of this moment. Although, this medicine has been strictly ordered by your doctor.
But I will only feel safe and relieved if the advice comes from the doctor himself.
Oh, okay. I can ask the doctor to go here as soon as possible to explain the new medicine further.
Good. You better make sure to send a doctor here.
I will definitely do that. I'll be going now to talk to your doctor. Before I leave, is there anything else that I can help you with?
No, no, just go tell the doctor to talk to me now. I'm actually wondering why I still have to take medicines like this. It's useless anyway.
These medications, apart from the diet, will keep you going, Bruce. We are only thinking about your welfare and want you to recover as soon as possible.
Okay, okay. Now you think I will need to take this new pill?
Definitely, it's for your own good. Rest assured that your doctor was the one who ordered it based from the most recent assessments that they have made.
Alright. I hope you understand that I'm just really, really anxious about this disease.
I totally understand you, Bruce. There's no need to worry because we're here to guide and treat you to the best of our effort. I assure you that I will relay your concerns to the doctor and he will soon be here to elaborate on everything. Do you have any more concerns, Bruce?
Nothing more, nurse.
Okay, Bruce, thank you for drinking your medication tonight and I will let you rest now. I'll just be at the nurse's station.
Okay, nurse. Good night.